Welcome to my story matrix, where stories spark change and wisdom unfolds in every moment. Open your heart, turn the page, and subscribe to bring stories to life. Every day, Ravi wakes, commutes, works, and watches, trapped in an endless loop. Is there more to life? Ravi gazes out at the rain-soaked window. City lights flicker, mirroring his doubts. In the stillness, a question lingers: is there more than this routine? Ravi, I see it in you. There's more to life than repeating the same days. Fear? Just a habit. But one step forward, everything shifts. Under the quiet of night, Ravi writes his goal. A deep breath, then he sets an early alarm. A quiet promise for a new beginning. Ravi rises, jogging, reading, working. A fresh start begins. At sunrise, Ravi stands tall, breathing in the freedom of a new beginning. Breaking free from fear unlocks endless possibilities. Thanks for watching. What you just heard was more than a story, it was a spark. As they say, even a single spark can start a fire.